everybody, Bonnie Cookler here to give you an update. Basically, it's been radio silence for almost a month now, and here's some answers as to what has been happening. It's been just bad luck lately. My mom's car got towed, we had to get it, my birthday was horrible, we're getting kicked out. Well, not even I'm getting kicked out because renovations or whatever. It's just all bad. There's nothing good happening. But what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to make music on my second channel. It used to be called Just a Real Mouth Fan, but I rebranded it to Little Bonnie. And there's also a SoundCloud that you can go follow. I haven't posted any music yet, so don't expect that for a while. 2024, I think I'll start making music. Since the last song I ever did was the lobsters are running away, haha, or whatever. Which that did pretty well. But anyway, so guys, thank you for watching this update video. I'm sorry I haven't posted in almost an entire month. There's been a lot of stuff that's been happening, but anyways, remember to delete your searches. Oh my god, my voice. Anyways, remember to delete your search history. This is Bonnie Cookler signing out. Peace.